Hey, what is going on, guys? Nakib here. Welcome back to the second video here on this channel. So before the video starts, I kind of wanted to give a rundown of what I anticipate the upload schedule of this channel being like. So I'm kind of invested in this channel at the moment. As a matter of fact, I have a couple $100s invested, and that's kind of like the push I really needed to get this channel off the ground and really actually get into the videos. So the plan right now is Saturday is my set recording day. So right now what you guys are watching is recorded yesterday, and Sunday is my upload day. So if you guys want to watch my videos, then go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications and check back every Sunday. So yeah, so today's video is actually dedicated towards how you guys can make money just as simple as sitting on the toilet, like with no effort at all, or minimal effort anyways. So it's going to involve two different things. You guys are going to need two apps. You guys are going to need eBay, and you guys are going to need OfferUp. So basically what we're going to be doing is buying things through OfferUp and reselling it on eBay. So I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and stick around till the end of the video to find out how much I've actually made in the last 90 days through actually just doing this. So when do I actually do this? So if I'm sitting on the toilet, if I'm going to bed, you know, the last 20 minutes before I'm going to bed, or else until I fall asleep. If I got some downtime at work, if I'm on my break, whatever the case, whenever you guys have downtime, you guys can use this method to make some extra side cash. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my screen recorder, and I'm gonna try to. So this is my first time doing this, so it might be a little weird getting the perfect screen to face ratio, but I'm gonna put the screen right here. Alright, so what you guys should be seeing right now on screen is my actual page on OfferUp. So before you guys get into this, just go ahead and create a free account. It's totally, once again, free. You can sign in through your Gmail, you can make a new account altogether, or you can sign in through Apple if you guys have an Apple device. So first thing you guys want to do is understand what you're looking at right now. This is the home page. Once you guys start using this app a little bit more, it's going to start posting things that you guys usually tend to look at. For example, if you guys are into shoes, it's going to show shoes. If you guys are into laptops and games, it's going to show laptops and games. So first thing what I always do is on the top left right here where it says your 30-mile radius next to your city and the shipping, go ahead and click on that and click on nationwide shipping only. So we're going to be doing this completely from home. We don't actually have to meet up with anybody, so that's why we're choosing the shipping option. And basically, so this is your new home screen, included with shipping. So these are all the items that people are selling that can actually be shipped directly to your house. So there's two different items, or two different types of items that I personally see making the most money out of. Now, you can do this with anything. You guys can buy clothes and sell them. You guys can buy shoes, anything. But what I usually find that makes the most money is if you guys click on the top right corner right here, and you guys click on electronics and media. The first thing I usually check when I sign in is video games and consoles. So if you guys don't know, I used to run a video game online shop reselling sort of thing for about 2 years, and then I kind of recently switched over to reselling computers and computer parts. So I do have some experience with this, and over time, once you guys start doing this, you guys will kind of figure out what the prices are to look for. For example, like let's just scroll through right here. So this PS4, for example, so they're charging $350. You guys know that if you buy this, you're probably not gonna be able to make a profit off of it. So you know, let's just scroll through right here. Here's another PS4. They're asking $0. Now here is a perfect example of a scam. So when you guys click on an item and you guys see like it's a decent item, I might want to purchase this thing. Look at right here where it says like John and members since February 2021. So that right there is going to give away the fact that this is probably like a not legit seller. I tend to avoid sellers. Like if I click on an item and I see that their account was made in the last 3 months, I just ignore it altogether, because chances are it's a scam. So let's just look through here a little bit more. So this Nintendo Switch, $180. It looks like it's a pretty good deal. The photos seem legit, but if you guys look at the seller, February 2021, so I just wouldn't go with that. So that's one thing I look at, video games right there. And then the next thing I usually look at is computers and accessories, as you guys can see right now. So one thing that I've recently started doing is reselling graphics cards a lot more and MacBooks. So they tend to sell pretty good, especially MacBooks, because people aren't really that knowledgeable when it comes to MacBooks. They just see a MacBook, ooh, it's a MacBook, I really want it, and as long as it looks like it's somewhere near the current generation, they'll probably buy it. So let's just look at this graphics card right here, 1070. Nah, that's probably not going to sell. So Instead of going through all this, you guys get a basic gist of what I mean by going through this and seeing what the prices are. So let's go ahead and head over to my account. Let's click on purchases and sales, and these are a couple of sales that or purchases that I made over the last month or so. So let's look at this 2013 MacBook right here. So I paid $197.15. So it's a 17-inch MacBook, and as a matter of fact, I just sold this MacBook last night, and I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video how much I made off of that MacBook. So just stick around if you guys want to see that. So that's a reasonable price, because you guys know, especially 13 or 17-inch MacBooks, they go for a pretty decent amount, almost near $400. So that's just an example. Another example right here is this GTX 770 graphics card. I paid $64.65, and I sold this for around $120. So you guys might be thinking, that's not that much. It's about a double, double what you paid for it. But here's the thing to keep in mind: not everything you guys buy is gonna make this huge amount of profit. So that's what I'm saying. This is something to do in your free time when you guys just have nothing else going on, because it's like small amounts that kind of add up to give you a bigger picture. And once again, I'm going to show you guys how much I made in the last 90 days. So for this, keep in mind, when you guys actually sell stuff on eBay, they're going to take about a 10% fee. So you always have to factor that into whatever you're selling. So as far as this, what's called, at the end of the day, I probably got around 40 bucks off of this item after all the fees and stuff and shipping. So let's go ahead and look at one more item right here just to give you guys an example. So this PS4 Slim right here, I bought it for $113.94, and I sold it for about $220 like 3 or 4 days ago. So it was a little rough as far as the shape goes. I just wiped it down, gave it a nice little clean, and hey, it sold really fast. So that's what you guys basically look for. Now, as far as selling on eBay goes, the reason why I sell on eBay is because it's backed by buyer protection and also seller protection. So as far as OfferUp goes, you have buyer protection, but not so much seller protection. You can easily get scammed as a seller. That's why I prefer not to not to sell on OfferUp. But anyways, you will find fantastic deals on OfferUp, more so than you will on eBay. So I don't recommend you guys buy off of eBay and then resell on eBay. You're not going to make a whole lot there. So let's head over to my eBay page right now, and let me show you guys. So right here, it says that in the last 90 days, I made $6,667.65. Some of you guys think that's probably cursed because 666, but regardless, so it says I sold 58 items right here. And 2 unsold items, which means I just need to relist them. The listing ended. So this is just a brief overview of what you guys can actually make just in your free time. Now, if you guys do want to go ahead and do what I do, what I personally do is, let's just say that PS4 that I bought for $113, I'll list it on eBay for $220, and I'll list it as an inflated price on OfferUp. Like I said, once again, that chances are there's no seller protection on there, so that's why I do an inflated price, because just in case if it does sell on there, you guys have some extra cash, if that makes any sense. And if that's a bad example, let me show you guys another example. So if I were to get a $10 video game, right, and I'm selling that $10 video game on eBay for, once again, $10, I would list that for $15 on OfferUp. So it's a little bit more of a cash flow if it were to sell on OfferUp. But once again, I highly recommend you guys just stick to eBay in the selling regards. So what I personally recommend you guys do, if you guys want to start off with this, is get $100. You have $100 set aside, buy a couple items on OfferUp, list them on eBay. So you guys sell the items. Now what do? So instead of paying for boxes or stuff like that, what I recommend you guys do is go to like Dollar Tree or like Walmart and stuff like that during the time that they stock. Oftentimes, if you guys ask them, hey, can I grab some of those boxes you guys are throwing away, they'll oftentimes give it to you. So get those boxes. So you guys got free boxes. Chances are you probably already have tape at your house, and all you guys will need is a printer. So once the item sells, slap the label on there, print it out, and just ship the item off. Once you guys first start this off, they'll actually hold your funds for about 30 days, I think. Not 30 days, probably like 2 weeks. Just until everything's verified that it's gone across. And once you guys start getting into it and they see that you're a responsible seller, then they'll give you the funds as soon as the items sell. So as soon as I sell an item, they immediately give me what I sold that item for. So you guys don't really need to wait. So So yeah, there you guys go, just a little bit of an overview of how you guys can make some extra side cash. Now, like I said, over $6,000 made in the last 90 days. That combined with the full-time job that I currently work, I'm actually able to afford some decent things that I wouldn't be able to afford otherwise. So give it a try. If you guys want some more tips and tricks on more in-depth stuff on how to sell on eBay, I do have a video up on my main channel if you guys want to check that out. Or if you guys want me to make an updated one for 2021, I will do that as well. But anyways, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any ideas that you guys would like to see for future videos, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Anyways, I'll see you guys next Sunday.